let's see what these look like. Alright, here we go. So let's see what these look like. I have the quiet comforts on right now, so I'm gonna take out the quiet comforts. And we're gonna put in the Bose Sleepbuds. Now these are exceptionally light. We're also gonna do a weight test to see. This is our left ear. And this is our right ear. Okay, so right off the bat, these have a very, very secure but ultra lightweight fit. I mean, these are some of this. If these were earbuds, if they made earbuds this light and this comfortable, and they were good at playing music, I would buy them in a heartbeat. However, these are sleepbuds. So in that sleepbud is you're going to be able to choose your type of white noise, and how it works is that it kind of reduces the level of ambient noise in your environment while playing wirelessly a controlled library of musics and sounds to help you sleep. Because white noise is how you can start, I guess, relaxing your mind and helping you fall asleep and stay asleep longer. So very lightweight. You can see what they look like in here. These are your sleep buds. This is the case of your sleep buds. We'll show you closer what they look like in here, because I know everyone wants to see what they look like in here. But this is what it looks like in here on your sleep buds. So here, the sleep buds. Here's the case. Here's what the sleep buds look like on here. A very, very comfortable fit. Extremely comfortable fit. I mean, I'm telling you, alone, if these were earbuds, I would say they're the most comfortable earbuds I've ever tried. But they're not. They're sleep buds. They're sleep buds. So this is the actual interface, and it's preparing the update. So it's going to be updating. Now you have your options here. You have your favorite sounds. You have your browse options. You can set a new alarm if you want to set a new alarm. So once it's finished updating, okay. So here in the alarm mode, you can set the alarm, and these sleep buds, because you have them in your ear, they'll start playing the music or playing whatever sound you want for your alarm. My Sounds is going to be a collection of sounds that you can listen to. They all sound particularly great. And that was our alarm coming in. Swell is cool. Warm Static, Window Seat, Boardwalk, Rinse, Fabled, Starboard. There's all these various sounds that you could play on your sleep buds. They fit really well and snug in the ear. And if you shake, if you rattle, if you're moving around, they're still well situated. And this is the key thing. I use this on a pillow, because in real life, you don't sleep standing up, you don't sleep sitting up. So I use this on a pillow, and when you rest your head on the pillow, because of how small and flat this is, if you're a side sleeper, it will still stay in your ear, it will not dislodge. And the music is kind of very serene. It's just a very serene, like, depending on which one you choose. Like, this is Ode. And Ode it's unlike white noise music. What it sounds like is, it's like a white noise spa hybrid type music, and it really helps you relax. It just cleanses your mind, almost lets you kind of go into a dreamlike state, and it's just meant to do that. So the programming on these sleep buds is sensational, and there's whole options. Like Outbound is more like waves, but the waves, because of the quality of the audio, they sound very real. It's not going to just sound like a machine. It sounds like you're there.